program is being brought to you by Jollibee.
Sa mahal mo, i-Jollibee mo.
For fashionable and lightweight footwear, step into Duralite sandals. Duralite sandals are long-lasting and easy to wash. Now available in all leading department stores nationwide.
Healthy and young, konjac jelly, fat-free, low in sugar, high in fiber. A helpful way to have a snack anytime, any place. Healthy and young, konjac jelly. It's not just for kids, but for everyone.
America's favorite phone is now in the Philippines. Jelly phones are cool and fancy, and Bell phones made by Northwestern Bell Phones. Get them now at all leading appliance centers nationwide.
Si Bunso, marami pang di alam. Kaya dapat mong turuan. Kid, mahalaga ka. Sa iyong munting paraan, mapapasaya mo ang pamilya. Sabi ng Jollibee, kaya mo, kid.
Once a princess was getting ready for a special night.
Rainbow Princess Barbie, put on your rainbow gown. Butterflies in your hair, magic comb that you can share. Rainbow Princess Barbie,
Beautiful!
now Prince Ken has come to call, and they're dancing at the Rainbow Ball.
Rainbow Princess Barbie doll comes with butterfly hair decorations for Barbie and you, handled sold separately.
It's a great time to be a girl!
Barbie.
Tito, Titata!
Si Lolo, gustong-gusto kang makasama. Kaya sana, lambingin mo siya. Kid, mahalaga ka. Sa iyong munting paraan, mapapasaya mo ang pamilya. Sabi ng Jollibee, kaya mo, kid.
For 100 years, only one Filipino newspaper has withstood the waves of change. Now, at the dawning of a new age, the Manila Bulletin reaffirms its commitment to truth, fairness, and the freedom to be heard. The Manila Bulletin, celebrating a century of unwavering service to the nation.
Sa unang pagkikita, ako'y nabihag mo na. Dulot mo ngiti sa aking labi. Oh, Jollibee Swirly Bits, aking sinta. Di naiibig sa iba. Tatlo mong flavors, hatid sa akin ay saya. May mud pie na, Nestle Crunch, at peanut butter blast pa. Kaya basta dessert na masarap.
I-Jollibee mo na.
No Jollibee Swirly Bits.
This program is being brought to you by Jollibee.
Sa mahal mo, i-Jollibee mo.
Bagong taon na! It's time to make a change. Tayo humarap